does sound low in refrigerant, but I want to check the static pressure first. That's what this little bag is here for. I'm going to check the static pressure. Okay, so total static pressure is well within the allowable range. First, I'm gonna put these little plastic caps on those holes that I drilled. You gotta be responsible. Either that or use tape. I always carry both in case the caps don't want to go in. I put tape. So I talked to the customer and we're gonna move forward with my findings, which is